Hello everyone. So today we're going to see how to find companies that are actually looking to build teams in the areas in which you provide services. Typically, buyer goes through three-stage journey. Stage one is ignorance, wherein he doesn't even know that he has a problem and he needs to be educated about the problem that he has and what solution he may need. Stage two typically is where he knows what problem he has, but he hasn't yet figured out a solution to solve that problem. And the stage three is where he already has decided on how he's going to solve the problem and the path going forward. So for a sales guy, it is extremely important to identify stage in which your customers are in at any point in time to basically go and deploy the right strategy and move forward faster. Now, from a quick closure perspective, stage two is the ideal for any sales guy to get in, because that's where the budgets are approved, the strategies is approved, and the person is willing to move very fast. So these kind of deals can be closed very quickly, and there are various indicators which will help you identify if a company is actually in that stage. The first indication, of course, is technology announcements that the companies make. A company going and announcing that will be doing certain things in the next 3 to 6 months. That could be an indicator for this. Companies getting funding, especially Series B funding, wherein they sort of tend to spend on a lot of peripheral activities. A new product launch that yields a lot of opportunities in terms of supporting the older products and also expanding on the new product side. All of these are there are multiple such triggers that you can go after and identify companies which are in stage two. The most important one out of the all is basically hiring areas. So if somebody is looking to build a team, he already has got the budget approved. He knows what skill set does he need. He is willing to spend on that, and he's looking to move in quickly. Now that is where a sales guy can go and swoop in and with his offer and tell him that, hey, I have the team ready. This is where I can start helping you. So let's see how we can help you find out these kind of customers here. Now I'm going to share my screen here. Now, when you go to Cloudera, you basically can search in company search based on various search parameters. These search parameters actually are designed to help you find customers or companies that are actually looking to build a large team in the last 45 days time frame. So when you go to hiring areas, you can choose one of the many pain points that we have chosen here. So there are a lot of them here. Most of them are very strictly designed for IT services offerings, which will allow you to find very specific companies looking for specific skill sets that you guys offer. So you can choose from any of these skill sets and find companies that are right now looking to build a team. So let's take a few and see how that happens, how that works out. So let's take application development, mobile applications, SAP implementation, Salesforce implementation, IoT, DevOps, web development, all of these testing. So all of these basically will help you identify companies that are looking to build teams. Big data, machine learning, data science, all of those are here. You can choose all of these and countries to narrow your search results down and search the companies. Now, when you search companies, these are absolute low-hanging fruits that you're getting. You know that the company already has a requirement, and all you need to do is basically reach out to the person. You shift this company to your radar, which will sort of unlock the company, and then once it is unlocked, you can see the decision makers in the company. Okay, so this is where you see the companies getting added here. If you want to see the contacts report of the companies, you can click on the contacts report here, and you will see all the contacts coming in. You will see their email IDs, confidence levels, phone numbers. You can also see various org structures here, like engineering org structure, HR org structure, IT org structure. All of them will come here directly. If you also want to find out their direct dial phone numbers, you can click on search phone numbers and find them. But now the question is, what is the requirement in the company, right? How do you find that? So now for that, you open the company report here. This is basically where you see high level information about the company, all the technologies that they're currently using, all the products that they're currently using, We have about 15,000 different products, user bases that we track on a daily basis, and the phone numbers, office locations, and this is essentially the most important part of the puzzle. You know, what is the requirement in the company, where is the requirement, and what do you need, what technology skill sets do you need to actually fulfill that requirement. So you can see they're looking to build an automation testing team in Texas using these skill sets. They're having application development Texas here in these skill sets. They're looking to again build, let's say, big data team in Charlotte with these skill sets. So as a sales guy, now I know everything that is there, to be known before I write an email to a prospect. I know that the company is right. I know that they have a requirement. I know the person, decision maker, his email, phone number, and I know what exact requirement does the person actually have. So now I can, write a pinpointed email to the person and, tell him about the solution of the problem rather than, sending him introductory pitch. So that's basically how hiring area actually helps you in identifying your next customer soon. So thank you so much for watching our video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Stay tuned for our next video on how to search companies in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.